a contract in dispute, did the seller deliver? At the heart of this landmark case lies a fundamental question. Did the vendor fulfill their contractual obligations? The dispute arose from a contract for the sale of property, where the vendor, tasked with delivering the property by a specified date, failed to do so. This breach of contract triggered a legal battle that ultimately reached the Supreme Court, prompting a thorough examination of contractual obligations and the principles of fairness in their enforcement. The vendee, having fulfilled their end of the bargain, argued that the vendor's failure to deliver the property on time constituted a breach of contract. This breach, they contended, entitled them to seek legal remedies to enforce the agreement. The vendor, however, countered that they were still within their rights to fulfill the contract despite the delay. This disagreement over the vendor's performance formed the crux of the legal battle. The case brought to light the importance of clearly defined timelines in contracts, particularly in situations involving the transfer of valuable assets like property. The Supreme Court was tasked with not only interpreting the specific terms of the contract, but also considering the broader implications of their ruling on future contractual disputes. The court's decision would have far-reaching consequences, setting a precedent for how similar cases involving contractual breaches would be addressed in the future. The case garnered significant attention from legal experts and the public alike, as it touched upon the fundamental principles governing contracts, documents that underpin countless transactions in our society. The court's analysis of the case would provide valuable insights into the interpretation of contractual obligations, the consequences of breaching those obligations, and the remedies available to parties who have been wronged. The stage was set for a landmark judgment that would shape the legal landscape of contract law for years to come. The stage was set for a landmark judgment that would shape the legal landscape of contract law for years to come.